Hero 11 Black Accessory Bundle from GoPro. Hero cameras come with the widest field of view available right out the box. This allows you to capture more of the sky and horizon in each image, giving you an extra-large canvas on which to express your creativity. Keep your footage sharp and textures rich while zooming in, cropping your pictures, switching digital lenses, and more. With its 5.3K video, the Hero 11 Black catches the action with sharp clarity and dramatic image quality, and it offers 91% more resolution than 4K, an astounding 665% more than 1080p, making your images in movies even more attractive. A water-resistant lens cover even aids in the elimination of lens flare and other imperfections. The new image sensor in the Hero 11 Black increases photo resolution to an astonishing 27 megapixels, while also producing 5.3K 60 footage with incredible fluid motion that you can use to capture gorgeous 24.7 megapixel stills of your favorite photos. Additionally, shoot 2.7K 240 footage that may be viewed in 8x slow motion to capture details that are difficult to perceive at regular speed. The hyper smooth function on this camera is at its best level, and now it's won a huge award for its insanely smooth footage, a 2021 Emmy for in-camera sensor and software stabilization.